Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video lessons by Adrenaline the Bazooka Prophet, CEO Adrenaline online tutorial platform, a platform that has helped students all over the world globally to master sciences, to understand the foundation of sciences in a simplified and beginner manner. We have so many testimonies ascribed to our name. Now, on the board are some questions that were asked in this year 2025 UNIBEN Post UTME question. And I'm so sure that some of these questions or some of this explanation I would be making would sure help you or help students in Nigeria in the incoming year that is coming, 2026. Now the question says, the father of modern periodic table is. Now we understand that the periodic table is a table that talks about the arrangement of elements in order of their increasing atomic number in groups and periods. But that's not my main concern. My main concerns are in the discovering of the periodic table. A lot of scientists have played their role, starting from Newlands, starting from so many of them. Newlands, what again? There are so many of them. But among this list of scientists who have contributed immensely in the discovering of the periodic table, the most acceptable of them all is the man named Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, a Russian scientist, right? Even though according to his arrangement, he arranged elements in order of their increasing atomic mass, which was over the years was later modified when a man called Jeffrey Jeffrey Mosley, Jeffrey Henry Mosley, now discovered atomic number, knowing fully well that no two elements have the same atomic number. So it was now later changed that rather to say that the arrangement of elements should be done in increasing atomic mass, but rather it should be increasing atomic number. Exactly right. Now we understand that even though Mosley later changed the periodic table arrangement in order of their increasing atomic number, we ascribe the we ascribe the title that the father of modern periodic table is Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. Please take note. Please take note. Please take note. Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev is regarded as the father of modern periodic table, even though he arranged elements in order of their increasing atomic mass, which is not correct today. Is that understood now? Now that's the first question. So move to the number two question. Number two question says the monomer of natural rubber is. What is the monomer of natural rubber? Simple. We should understand that rubber is a polymer. Apart from rubber being a polymer, we also have other polymers such as carbohydrate, protein, and nucleic acid. Just name them. All these are polymers, right? But they are asking you, we are now being specific of rubber, that the monomer of natural rubber is what? This is common in JAM exam and also common in WAEC exam. Name them. In most O-level exams, this particular question is very rampant. We should understand today that the monomers of natural rubber is isoprene. Let me write it for you. Isoprene. Okay? Isoprene. And the IUPAC name is simply 2-methyl buta 1,3-diene. 2-methyl buta 1,3-diene, which molecular formula of it is C5H8. Is that understood now? Very, very good. Even though we also have the one they call synthetic rubber, which I'll see different types, right? But that is not my focus for today. We're just being focused on this. Now, number 3 question is, in the modern Kelvin scale, the melting point of ice is, be very careful of this question. Now, in the modern, in the thermodynamic Kelvin scale, the melting point of ice is, normally the melting point of ice in degrees Celsius is simply 0 degrees Celsius. But since they have told us that in Kelvin scale, we are simply to convert this degree Celsius to Kelvin, and to do so, you add what now? 273, which will give me 273 what? Kelvin. Now, do well to like, share, and subscribe. And for more updates, do well to watch out for the part 2 of this particular video continuation. I remain my humble self, Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, BSc, MSc, PhD, Chemistry. Thank you and God bless you.